Hi, and welcome to Spry Whimsy. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble one of the Spinperfect bobbins for Spinolution wheels. This is the 16 ounce, here's an 8 ounce one. These are 3D printed. They can be disassembled if you don't tighten them too much up, and they fit all the Spinolution wheels. You can get your choice though. Make sure if you're getting an older one, this is the 3/8 inch shaft. If you need an older one, make sure you get the 1/4 inch shaft on these. It does make a difference. So when you get the bobbins, they come in 3 pieces. Let me focus down here so you can see it. Okay, so we have a back side is the thin piece. It's flat on one side and has a little bump out on the other. The bump out is the front. And on the shaft here, that slides down to the thicker end of the shaft and threads in. Make sure you're not cross threading it. Make sure it's smooth. And when you're done, it should be smooth through here. And a little bit of bump out the back, and you have the nut or the washer back here to attach to your magnet. Then this side, flat side, goes on the outside and the curve goes to the inside. And just screw that on. Now remember, when the time comes to take this apart, the front is easy to remember. That's logical. You got to remember, okay, I'm turning this to the left. This also turns to the left from my side. Turns the same direction because it's coming off the same way. Put that back together. Alright, so nice and smooth here, nice and smooth curve here. There is little nubs back here, and if I get this angle just right, maybe you can get some light behind, you can see this little notch under there. That's for your leader thread. And then when you put this on, you got your magnet back here, slides on, snaps into place, and this is flush to the flyer. And then we snap on our orifice bar like that. So that is how you assemble the Spinperfect bobbin. And they do come in all sizes, 8, 4, 12, 16, and I think 32 ounce as well. I hope that's helpful. See you later.